Hey friends, you're watching BrainStormAcres. I'm Henry. I have to go out and see if I can fix the air conditioning on one of our cars. It just quit working. The blower doesn't work, the air conditioner doesn't turn on, and tomorrow morning I have to take Irene down to a medical appointment. Not a big deal, except it's going to be over 100 degrees again. So, got to get at it. This car has two different circuits to control the air conditioning. One turns on the air conditioning compressor, which I just checked in the car. I turned the engine on and turned on the air conditioning. The compressor kicked on just fine, but there's no fan blowing. That now means that I need to double check to see if I have any voltage going to the fan. There's only a small number of places where this fault could be occurring. It could be a bad fan motor. It could be a bad resistor. It could be a bad connection. So I need to get on about diagnosing that problem too. It's going to be hot. Has to get done. Many cars will have a fuse puller mounted on the cover of the fuse block cover. This model has the fuse puller right here in the block itself. Now I need to see if I can figure out which of these fuses supplies the voltage to the relay that turns on the fans. There's absolutely nothing going on, so I might as well start here with the fuses. There's the horn, the audio, which is the radio and CD player, the defroster relay, and the fog relay, the headlight high relay and the headlight low relay, and the horn relay. The relay right here controls the electric fuel pump. Now I tapped on these relays to start the diagnostic process because a lot of times relays will get stuck, they might get burned, and a lot of times if you tap them they'll make a connection and start working. That didn't happen, so now I have to go ahead and figure out which fuse actually belongs to the fan motor. These are the fuses right here that are related to controlling the fan motor. If you look down in here, it'll be very evident if the fuse has failed because there's a fusible link that connects the two connectors on the fuse, and that will burn out. A lot of times it'll look black. You may see some soot, but you won't see a connection. Looking in here, These all are intact. I might as well look at the others while I'm here. All those fuses look good, so that's not the problem. Still could be the relay. I'm going to go ahead and start taking the dash apart to figure out exactly what's going on. Well, it's over 100 degrees outside. We have a light breeze, which is nice, but it's still hot air. I finished diagnosing the car, and it's definitely the fan motor. There's power that goes to the fan, but the fan doesn't turn. I've tried pumping it, I've tried thumping it, I've tried resetting the connectors. Looks like it's that fan. Unfortunately, there's none available today. I have to wait until tomorrow morning at 7 o'clock to give a call to the dealership to see if they have any of the parts in stock. Otherwise, I wait until Thursday. When you have a lot of stuff breaks. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe and hit the bell for notifications, because we're going to be doing a lot more stuff because there's a lot of stuff to do. Thanks for watching. Take care.